Global happenings today. We communicate. We analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. A lot is happening around Nnamdi Kanu. Very quickly, it's coming in quick succession. Kanu Agabi, the former Attorney General of the Federation and lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, have withdrawn from his trial. Don't forget that his special counsel is already in detention in Kuje, and the court have given their mandate. Let's hear the full news in quick succession. But before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel. Let's start with what happened to Kanu Agabi, the former Attorney General of the Federation and lead counsel to the indigenous people of the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. So a few hours ago applied to withdraw his representation in the ongoing terrorism trial before the Federal High Court in Abuja. Kanu is facing trial on 7-count charge bordering on terrorism filed against him by the federal government. When the matter was called on Thursday, Agabi informed the court that he would no longer be representing the IPB leader, adding that the defendant had decided to take back the case from them. In the same manner, all the senior advocates of Nigeria involved in the matter case also announced their withdrawal from the case as well. Kanu, confirming the development, told the court that he would be representing himself for now, but noted that the position might change later. The trial judge, Justice James Omotosho, asked whether he should assign a lawyer to represent him, but the defendant, Kanu, declined. Meanwhile, addressing the court orally, Kanu argued that the court lacked jurisdiction to try him. Recall that Justice Omotosho on October 16 granted the defendant 6 consecutive days beginning from October 23rd to open and close his defense in view of the accelerated hearing earlier granted in the case. But meanwhile, there was a resumed hearing of his terrorism trial. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, challenged the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court to continue his trial. Development followed the withdrawal of all the senior advocates representing the defendant from the matter. Nnamdi Kanu, by the order of the court, is expected to open his defense this Thursday, that's today. The presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, ruled that the defendant should open his defense as jurisdictional issues and all others can be challenged at the Court of Appeal or included in his final written address. The court therefore adjourned the matter till 24th October 2025 for the defendant to commence his defense. Kanu had earlier listed 23 witnesses to testify in the matter. Kanu here is facing trial on 7-count charges. I'm just trying to summarize all of this in quick succession. Meanwhile, of course, you're going to get to hear the fact that Sowore has been arrested. You're going to see all of that video in a moment. Sowore has been arrested at the Federal High Court, Abuja. I guess I wanted to show some solidarity. You're going to see all of that video. But this is just me talking. Nnamdi Kanu have been given this window period. I don't think this is the best time he would have sacked all the SANU. Now, the first son, Kanu Agabi, had withdrawn from the case, and all the sons attached to the case also withdrew. This is senior advocate of Nigeria. They've been doing all these cases for a long time. Nnamdi Kanu has not done a trial case for himself. Let him not use anger, and spoil his own case himself.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I've said earlier, bail is a decision of the court taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in Muhammad Abacha v. State. At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June, my lord, which was exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump bail. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. Is here. This is the law of Nigeria.
Because now there's a window period. And these are guys who are seasoned lawyers who know how to, this is their marketplace. I mean the lawyers, the senior advocates. This is the where they sell. I would have said if it was a case of whatever the case is, even if it was a case of anger, would have controlled it. If it's a case of money, would have looked for source for money. This is one window period that would have changed the narrative for him. But I guess, and he has called on 23 people, including Wike, Umahi, Igbezu. I don't know if they will be willing to come. It's quite a dicey case. But let's watch this video. See the moment where Sowore was arrested. We'll come back for more on details.
Are you recording us?
No, I'm not recording you.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. Me. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother now. What are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said you should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
over what?
To bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, when you said that, so why you then have? So you didn't bring a letter of invitation now. That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes?
You are saying people should not use phone.
Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait.
Let the.
You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for.
Your lawyer can come and
Yes. No, wait now. Let him enter first.
Okay.
Enter.
Clear the thing now.
Enter inside now, Oga.
Where's this person? Oh.
Where's your secret?
Where is she now? She's at the back there.
Enter, please, sir.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything bad.
no problem.
That's your family.
Well, you know we had to stand for you when they oppressed you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anybody that is following us.
Please, sir, wait.
My car is coming. You said it's an invitation. Why are you in a hurry?
I don't understand.
Yes.
Only they have the picture.
How are you?
Is this your car?
Yes.
So they follow us from behind.
Let me give them my stuff.
Why? What did he do?
They said they shouldn't look for the behind that I was able to capture when the police was saying they should drop the phone.
Follow them, or?
Yes, follow them.
See, that was how one DSS.
They go.
Oga, follow them. Don't wait. Just drive behind them.